Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at the daily range indicator for MT4 and MT5. All right, although I'm going to be explaining the indicator here on the MT4 platform. Okay, so we're going to be working with the MT4 version. However, you can find the links to both the MT4 and the MT5 versions down there in the description. Okay. So after you have downloaded the indicator, you need to head over to your indicator folder. All right, you need to head over to your indicator folder. Once you get to your indicator folder, you just paste the indicator file in there. All right, after doing that, you head back to your navigator and refresh. You need to refresh so that the indicator can reflect, okay, in your navigator. So after doing that, just look for the daily range. Look for the daily range indicator. Here we go, drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And then you can see your various customizable settings, mostly colors. And then you have your risk to reward ratio, first AV, second AV, third AV, right? So now this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, it is designed to automatically calculate and display the daily price range. Okay, so this tool helps you understand market volatility. You know, you can be able to identify potential breakouts and pinpoint intraday setups. Now we can see the previous 1 day range is being mentioned, previous 5 days range, previous 10 days range, previous 20 days range. We have room up, room down, long, short. This for Euro GBP, right? And then these are for the average daily range, and then the risk to reward ratio, the maximum stop losses, daily low, daily high. So basically some valuable information that you can use as an additional information to your trading strategy, right? You can see this one is current day price, right? As you can see, it is fluctuating. This should be the ask price and the either the ask price or the bid price, but then you have the daily low and the daily high. Okay, the daily low is being mentioned and the daily high, and then you also have your current price being displayed as well. All right, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.